Hello and welcome to the new video on what's happening. Today we have got three important news to be covered. At first, let's discuss about Vedantu. Recently, Vedantu has laid off 200 employees. This comes as startup continues to cut the cost and reduce their cash burn. And also sources says that Vedantu is also focusing on reducing the cost of its courses to manage the tapering demand for online education as offline learning centers opens up. And it is also said that EdTech giant Vedantu is also leveraging technology to reduce overall cost, which is also one of the reasons for restructuring exercise. As from the report, more than 1,800 contractual and full-time employees had been fired from various startups. And the companies that have been laid off employees over the past month include tech firms like Unacademy and Lido, and e-commerce startups like Misho and Trell. And let's move on to the unicorn news. For those of you who don't know what is unicorn, unicorns are the companies which are valued more than $1 billion, which roughly translates into 7,500 crores in the Indian currency. In a historic moment for the world's third largest startup ecosystem, India got its 100th unicorn earlier this week when a startup named Open, a neo-banking platform for small and medium enterprises, raised $50 million, a valuation of $1 billion. This 100 unicorn startup landmark was celebrated by startup founders, investors, and government officials too. Coming to the key highlights, India has 100 unicorn startups, and it is the third highest number of unicorns in the world. The combined valuation of Indian unicorns, which roughly translates into $333 billion. The most interesting fact is 15 unicorns have at least one woman co-founder. By the end of 2025, India would be the home for more than 250 unicorns. Coming to the IPOs, the largest and fastest growing logistic player in India, Delhivery, is all set to be going for the IPO on May 11th, and it closes on May 13th, and it will be listed on the stock exchanges on May 24th. And the total issue size is 5,235 crores, out of which primary shares are 4,000 crores and the secondary shares are 1,235 crores. These 4,000 crores from the primary shares will totally go into the company's operation, and 1,235 crores that is raised from the secondary shares would go into the company's investors. By the end of financial year 2021, they were covering 17,488 pin codes in India. Coming to the numbers, Delivery is the largest and fastest growing logistic player by revenue, but still it is a loss making company. By financial year 2020, it has incurred a loss of 269 crores, and by financial year 2021, it has incurred a loss of 415 crores, whereby revenue at financial year 2020 stood at 2,780 crores, and the revenue at financial year 2021 stood at 3,646 crores. This is all we got news for today's episode. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.